Hola, hola, hola. This is Umek Jr. in Kabese, Atlanta, McForce family representative. Early on in the week, in a quick confirmation. Early on in the week, I had an interview with the chemo, and I said I wasn't well versed on the story and the issue of my contributions. Now, in the interest of the McForce family, making our contributions to the right account, you know what I'm saying? I want to confirm that and make sure nothing goes on, you know what I'm saying? Because I wasn't briefed on my contributions, on the contributions issue and what's going on, and I don't want to end up having my issues, you know what I'm saying, like where money ends up going to places where it's not supposed to go, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to confirm the account. Where if you're trying to contribute, or contribute to the account nowhere else, okay? It's 62, it's an F&B account, right? 621853529112. There's going to be a post on my page about it too, right? There's going to be a post confirming all of my details, but that is the only account. There's no other account. When I did the interview, I wasn't sure about the contributions thing and how it was working, but now we've gotten it down and I know exactly what it is now, right? I understand. But now that I see you're serious and they're actually putting their money, I want to make sure we're responsible about it. Nah? In Kabese, Atlanta, Umak Jr., I just wanted to confirm those banking details. That's it, right? Thank you.
Hey guys, yeah, this is a video ka McG esisusumsindo omkhulu laphana ke ku social media. Guys, McG guys uwine u2 million rand lapha ku Big Brother Mzansi last Sunday, and guys waphinda futhi wathola ke u27000 or imali akade idlala ngaphakathi u27000 rand akade ethembeseke usinayo ukuthi ke if uyawina yena uzomnika nosinaye makuthi uyawina uzomnika lo 8000 rand wakhe. So that 27 he have to give it to Usnai. So guys, nayi ke inkinga ekhona ukuthi ke McG was giving ama fans akhe i-account number yakhe correct, because ama fans akhe afuna ukumupha imali. Guys, it's not like it's a donation, bafuna ukumupha imali ngoba bayamthanda, so bafuna a correct account number yakhe so that bezomupha imali because they love him. Abana ndaba ukuthi win 2 million rand or win in, but they want to give him money on top of that money. So lapha na social media kuhlanga abanye bathi ke hayibo waze wa agree to make G why ngathathwa le mali inikeza abantu abantswephu abasokolayo. Guys, konje kuthiwa abantswephu abayikho ntswephu guys, abantu abanhlwephu. Yo, ayibo, how can I forget that word, guys? Abantu. Yeah, I think this is the correct word. Yeah, guys, but why ngathathwa imali kunikezwe abantu abasokolayo ngampela. Maybe after they have donated the money to him, he might do that. But guys, it's just ama fans akhe athacela ukumupha imali. So yini enyabe engayenza ukuthi uzothatha iphi account number kumele athina athi angifuni nganginikeze because I just want 2 million rand. So guys, yeah man, I think it's just that it have nothing to do with him wanting more money. But if umuntu ethi ngifuna ukufakela imali, can you really say no ungangifakela imali because ngisanda khona? Hayi guys, ikana nomunye umntana I enjoy ama benefits, I enjoy while it lasts, you know. So ile confusion ike khona bathi greedy ke usefuna imali kubeni kade ethola 2 million. Yo guys, inhlanhla zabantu ayifani bakithi makhona abantu bafuna ukumupha imali bamthanda. Who are we singobani ukuthi sithi ningamfakela asivuleni account abasokolayo sifakele bona? Like, I don't know guys, but just allow the guy to be happy. Aba fans akhe ayamthanda afuna ukumfakela imali, awayiboleki umuntu ayikhiphe emapocket nayo ayifakela yena straight. So he was just giving out the account number, the correct account number yakhe, because eqaleni uthi ke abantu they were making donations kwi account kasiswakhe. So now uyabona ukuthi ke abantu they keep on asking for a correct account number yakhe specific. So account number yakhe guys, it's an F&B account. So yeah man, you can check this video, and if you want to donate, you know, you can do that. So guys, that's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion la ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi ke ugreedy ngampela or vele there was nothing angayenza. Like, you cannot say no to imali even if you just want 2 million rand. I don't know guys, just drop your comment down there. Bye.